going on, everybody? Today we got a 2018 Nissan Rogue. We're going to be taking a look at the cabin filter. Okay, so the cabin filter on this car is not the easiest one to get to. If you go on the passenger side over here on the floorboard, what we're looking for this right here, okay? This right here is actually a door that you get to the cabin filter, okay? We can just pull it and it'll start to open up. All right, and if we look a little further up here, there's another little thing that we're gonna pull. Okay, and this door will come off. This door is not very fun to put back on, okay? Just to warn you. And right here, that's where our filter is. Let's pull this guy out. Not very fun. Something really good. They are crammed in here when they're in here. Alright, so here is our filter, okay? You can see on this side it is super duper dirty. I actually don't have a new one to put back in here. I'm gonna need to order it. If you'd like to order one, I'm going to leave a link down in the description box where it takes you to Amazon. It'll give you the part number for the filter. And yeah, so I'm going to have to order this one. I don't know how dirty it was. So I guess we'll put this one back and then get that ordered. Alright, so putting these back is not very fun. Because basically you are just going to smash it up in there. Okay. To get it to go back. And it's crazy. He looks retarded. But that's how this is. Okay. Get it in there. You just keep pushing it in there and it'll go in there. Go to the door, and the door is another challenge all in itself. Get it back. So slide it on from the bottom first. Go for it. I kind of get the idea. I'm gonna need two hands to be able to pop that on there. Oh, I got it. But there you go. All right. So if the video was helpful, I appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe. Have a great weekend.